Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here at businesswithtrading.com, bringing you a market analysis for the S&P 500. Right now it is the 12th of September, so for the week from the 12th to the 17th, well, let's get into it and see what is likely to play out here. So first off, you see all these blue lines that I've drawn. This is going to be our resistance. We were watching this red line at about 1350s. So we were watching this as support going into the majority of last week, and then it broke down and started breaking even lower, or the week prior, whatever. And we were watching that down to 4504s. So anywhere from 4504s to that 14 even, 13 half, that's going to be resistance right now. If price gets back above that red line, maybe it can do something. Right now it is near support. Keeping an eye on here, because if this breaks, then price does have the potential to continue going lower. So that could be a thing. Right now, first level of support I'm looking at is 44.56 75 or 44.57. Watching that level, and then the next one is 44.50 half, 44.50 half. And if it does start to break down, we have this yellow line down here at 44.36, followed by 44.30 half. So we have this zone as the next zone. So this zone is going to be important, followed by this one. This yellow line right here, if it's going to make any move higher at 44.83. If it breaks that, then watch this zone up here. And if that breaks, then it could get more bullish. If it starts breaking down, let's say this zone breaks and then this zone breaks next, then there's a very good chance that price can come back down here. However, we do have this level here at 43.61 and 43.57. So we do have that zone. This red line's a possibility, but it's not anything I'm even watching. But 43.09, 43.10. And then if we do go lower, we have 42.38, 41.99, and 41.64, all on the downside. Could it go a little lower? Maybe somewhere down there. But right now we're kind of just watching things to see what can happen. We did have some selling last week. Prior to that, we had some sideways movement holding over support. Support did hold here, and then it broke down, one more move up, broke down, one more move up, and then it just broke down, and it's still running lower. So right now, we do have resistance above us until it breaks. At the moment, we do have some support below us, and support is support until it breaks. So that's kind of what I'm watching for. So keep an eye on those levels this week. We'll see what plays out. It should be interesting. Let's check out the news. Okay, so going into news of the coming week. Monday we have 2 p.m. Fed balance, budget balance. No one really cares about that. Tuesday we do have a small business index at 6 a.m. However, at 8:30 we have CPI month over month and core CPI month over month. That could definitely add some volatility to the markets, and that would definitely be interesting. Monday not having any news, what happens, and then going into Tuesday you have news prior to the market opening. And Wednesday we have Empire State Manufacturing Index, import prices at 8:30, 9:15 we have industrial production. Maybe that adds volatility. I kind of doubt it. Capacity utilization rate. And 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. So, looking for Monday, Tuesday to kind of dictate the week. Thursday we have at 8:30 in the morning, core retail sales and retail sales, both month over month. That can add some volatility. We have Philly Fed manufacturing index and unemployment claims. Perhaps that does something. I would focus on these first two retail sales. 10 o'clock, we have business inventories month over month, nat gas at 10:30. And Friday, we have those 10 o'clock Michigan numbers. So should be an interesting week. I'm thinking Monday, Tuesday would dictate the week. That's what happened over here. And then over here, it was a little different. So it kind of depends on, what does play out, what we're looking for. Keep an eye on those levels, and it should be an interesting week. With that, have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the markets. Take care.